Hi guys and welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today's video is just gonna be me doing matcha hopping in multiple places in Bangalore. I was only able to go to 3 places. Apart from that, we're gonna be showing you a little glimpses of the day I spent with Soumya since she was back from Kerala, or even she's gonna be posting a vlog. So link will be in the description. Now let's just continue with the video. Okay, so guys, I'm on my way to meet Soumya right now and I'm quickly getting ready because I am actually not late exactly. I hate being late. Never ever forget your sunscreen, and this is the sunscreen I use. And I have used like 2 bottles of these already. I'll quickly do my makeup and meet you after that. So guys, I'm ready and I'm gonna be going now. I'm here because obviously Soumya's not here because she was late. I'm telling you, go design this place because the lighting is so good. Look, Soumya is here. She's actually not early.
I was like 10 minutes late, but it's okay.
I came on time.
Guys, we've ordered strawberry matcha from Tea Coffee House and it's time to mix.
I'm trying a vanilla matcha.
Yeah, and I'm trying the strawberry matcha. Oh, it's good.
It's good. Oh my god. Oh my god. Actually, I think this was 8.9 on 10.
I'm not a matcha person, so that's the entire vlog. It's like there's a matcha paglu and there's not a matcha paglu. And
Correct.
I would genuinely rate this like a 9 out of 10.
Damn.
Because I haven't had that many matchas. to
That's
actually-
true. Everyone should try Dubai matcha, but this is actually the best matcha I've had in Bangalore. The light is back, guys. By the way, we came outside because the light wasn't there.
And once we're done,
Obviously,
the
the
light
light came
decides to
back.
come back. Mine generally just tastes like strawberry, and if you're a strawberry paglu, please take mine.
So now Soumya's trying mine. Why don't you like
I don't like the matcha taste. So basically, strawberry matcha masks the entire matcha flavor. So
No, I think this matcha is way better. But
if
yeah,
you
I
like matcha, then you should go for this.
yeah, if you're a matcha paglu like me, but this doesn't have vanilla. I asked him for a vanilla matcha. It doesn't really taste like vanilla. It tastes straight matcha. So if you like strong matcha, I think this is it for you.
I don't know much
But
to
if you're
say.
like her and you want mango matcha or strawberry matcha, they actually did have mango matcha, but then they just said,
They were like, we don't trust ourselves because we haven't tried it.
yeah.
So they're like, we would genuinely recommend you to try the normal matcha. So try mine.
I don't like strawberry, guys, by the way. So okay, it's not strong enough. The strawberry is not that strong for me. Like, I think it's fine.
It's got a good essence of strawberry.
I
in it.
think that would be like a 7.5 for me because I'm not a strawberry paglu like her.
Problem with me is even I don't like strawberry flavored things like sometimes because it just feels too artificial. But they have a good mix of matcha and the strawberry essence.
Yeah. We also tried, what was that? The tiramisu frappe, which we didn't record that, but it was a
Too
banger.
good. This place, 10 on 10.
It's in HSR layout, guys, if you want to come. And
It's a very cute place as well.
it's aesthetic.
aesthetic.
I can tell you that a girl interior designed it.
Correct.
Because the light is not...
The lighting. Guys, if you didn't notice, we look amazing. It's because of Ashi's new camera. Please,
Soumya's also gonna
please
get it.
comment it. Please comment down below how good we look.
Thumbnail. She's vlogging on her phone. Go check out her vlog too. What does it say?
Guys, look what it says.
If you want to choose a drug, choose caffeine, not
Not nicotine. Amen to that.
We're on our way to Amantiri. Dhurandhar 2 का already book कर रही है. मैं जाके देख के भी नहीं आई हूँ.
I guarantee she will walk out of the theater and she's like, I want to watch it again tomorrow.
Here at Pizza Bakery right now. We actually went to Amintini first, but there was literally no seats. So that's why we come to Pizza Bake. And this is Soumya right here. I'm going for Durandar also today, and my dad is so excited. I am excited too because Soumya has told me it's a good movie. Hi guys, we have come to Pizza Bakery. Hijack my camera. Real owner, fake owner. Does it look like I own this camera? It better. Soon we're gonna be camera besties. Oh my god, it's so smooth, bhai. It's another day, another matcha place that we're gonna go to, and I'm so excited. And also, she's coming to my house for a stay over today because I'm so happy that I got to meet her yesterday, and now I'm gonna meet her today and then spend some time with her. Oh, and I'm just waiting for her to come here. Before that, I have some more. For now, I'm just putting some blush. I put the Rare Beauty blush in the shade Grace. I really cannot tell in this camera how it looks. So let me just see the mirror. Yesterday I literally put so much blush, but it looked fine on the camera, honestly. So guys, now we're here.
I have a feeling that the matcha here is going to be
Like banger, like better than yesterday.
I'm not a matcha pugly.
Okay, we'll see. She's ordered a strawberry matcha, I ordered a vanilla matcha. Apparently now it's my turn.
But like a little flashback.
Yeah, now it's square and square. Now neither of us can say anything to each other. It has been cancelled out.
We had gotten two matchas together. Oh, we have to got it.
Thank you. Thank you so much. I'm so sorry.
So sorry. Backstory. Madam ने गिरा दी.
कोच्चि में से गिरा, बैंगलोर में नहीं गिरा. कोई रिएक्शन क्यों नहीं है इसका?
अच्छा है. I don't know why the yesterday one also finds a little rosy.
Dude, this is a 4 on 10.
I would give it a.
Okay, मेरी बारी. देखो मैं कितने अच्छे से मिक्स करती हूँ. हाँ मीठा बहुत लगता है. It's a little on the sweeter side. I think this would be like a 5 with a matcha. Also, they gave us a Lotus
Biscoff
Biscoff.
cookie.
Yeah, I'm not a Biscoff fan. Are you?
Okay.
So, if you didn't notice, but when I store,
Actually,
sure. How would you rate it?
I'm actually liking it.
We're at 9 matcha halls if we didn't tell you it's in Koramangala.
मैंने 2 बार पिया.
And मुझे पसंद आ गया था matcha. Like, once, the first time I had it was in my cousin's house. Like, she made it. When I went to Dubai, I just kept having coconut milk matcha and trio matcha. 10 on 10. I've never had matcha like trio ever. The only thing I can actually chug, not even water. I don't know why. Done, guys. He just gave us another free matcha. We taste testing it.
Feedback.
Honestly, mix it more. I think it's like a 7. No,
I'm
you
waiting
try?
for 7.
7? Okay, 6.6 actually.
अच्छी है.
क्या rating होगी? 7. So it's literally another day, of course, and another matcha. And today we're gonna be going to third wave, and since Soumya is not here, it's gonna be me and Smriti who are gonna be going. Okay, so today we are at third wave coffee, and we're gonna be trying their matcha. I'm so awkward because there are so many people here, and now we have Smriti and not Soumya.
Miss you, Soumya.
This is how it looks. I hope I don't spill it, so let's keep all of this here.
Ooh, ASMR. I'm loving this.
So how do we like it? What's the rating?
8.5. It's a mix properly. I'm getting the ghas taste because of not mixing properly.
You're like the place I had in HSR, the first one was literally the best one.
Personally speaking, I am a mango matcha fan in third wave. So
Yeah.
me trying vanilla matcha and liking it is kind of like a huge thing for Rishi.
I actually only heard of matcha before, but now that I drank this,
She knows new sparks.
so now I think this is like a 6, no, a 7, because otherwise it literally used to be like an 8.5.
Basically, my score was your initial score after you tried that before.
Why don't we look out for each other when the sun goes down? You're supposed to sing.
Why do you always make me sing when I'm eating or drinking?
Also, what if people think like I'm just a big influencer because I have like a vlog camera and like it's my
I would think.
yeah, that's what.
Can I get a picture with you?
This prize has come. It's what is it? Herb and
Spices.
the herb and pepper.
That's
Cheers.
not bad. It's like having garlic bread.
Honestly, but it's not crunchy though.
Maybe like 4.5.
I think it's like a 3. I'm not a fan of like pizza little things.
She doesn't like pizza at all.
I'm weird like that, but yeah. Technical difficulties. Clap it. ये क्या था? तुम एक चुटकी कर रही थी. That is it for the video, and I'm gonna be hopefully trying more matcha places in the future, and we'll be posting more vlogs about it because I think that is my genre, like taste testing matcha, going to cafes, and let you know which one's the best place that I find in Bangalore. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel. Subscribe. I'll see you in my next video. Now let's cue Chamak Chalo.